Hey y'all, Joe and Savannah from Speedlab here to tell you about our Summer 2020 giveaway. Starting on June 16th through August 16th, we are going, for every purchase made on our website, you're going to be entered to win our giveaway. What's in the giveaway? Well, there's a lot of stuff. This is Russell.
We'd like to thank all of our partners.
First off, we're going to thank all of our partners that help make this giveaway possible. K1 Race Gear, Bell Helmets, Racing Electronics, and HMS. These guys came together and have given us a bunch of really great items that are going to be involved in our giveaway.
You can get a pair of shoes, some custom Nomex, gloves, and then a fully custom race suit. All you'll need to do for the race suit is just send over your measurements and your logos that you'd like on it. We can do basically anything and everything under the sun. So yeah, the crazier the better.
The next thing that you're going to receive is an RS7 carbon from Bell Helmets, a set of custom ear molds from Racing Electronics, and a set of Stroth belts from HMS. We're really excited for this giveaway, and we can't wait to see everyone at the racetrack here in the next couple weeks. To recap, every time that you make a purchase on the website between June 16th and August 16th, you're going to be entered to win this. A winner will be chosen at random on August 16th, and then we will get the process started on getting you all your items. We look forward to everyone participating in this, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at jordan@swindellspeedlab.com. Thanks.
Thank you.
Every single one of those, and neither one of us are clapping together, so it's really funny. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Hey guys, Joe and Savannah here to do this super awkward video to tell you about our Summer 2020 giveaway. That's where I went and Dylan put a graphic.
There's going to be 3 hours of footage, and we're going to be saying the same thing over and over again.
And even if you don't win, you should still send your logos and measurements to Savannah at Swindell.
Oh my goodness.
Dylan, take 3.
Oh no. Okay, I'm starting to sweat.
Same.
It's real hot in here.
Dylan, take 3.
Take 3. Hello, welcome to Speedlab.
This is Jordan and Savannah to do this super awkward video with you about what is in our 2020 summer giveaway. No. Will you come get the camera so we can watch it?
It's really bad.
Starting on June 16th through August 16th, which is the Sunday after Knoxville Nationals. Fingers crossed that happens. We're going to be having our summer 2020.
Come here. Come here.
How did you get here?
All right, so you can get a set.
A set. You said a set earlier, and I was like, it's
That's
a pair.
Weird. Isn't a set of shoes?
Like, are they going to get 4 shoes?
All right.
Signing off from Swindell Speedlab is Jordan and Savannah. Something of that had to work.
I hope Dylan does it. Not at the end.